parents, and to my entire dear friend. My name is MEBANSHAN, a student of class 3. I stand here to recite a poem titled Thank You Mom, Thank You Dad. Thank you Mom, thank you Dad. 3 small words, so much to add. For all your love and your support, a million words would be too short. The words I love you seem to feel to express the love I had for you. Thank you,
Friends, and to my entire dear friends. My name is DEIFISHA LYNGKHOI of class 6. As a gesture in our love, gratitude to our dear teachers who have the gem in everybody's life, I stand here to recite a poem titled A Parent's Love. No gift on earth is greater, no treasures held above. The joy that comes from knowing our parents' endless love. In spite of how it tested, it always draws us near, or be compared in value to a parent's endless love. Thank you.